I mean, that recording is one of the most incriminating recordings, absent a confession, I have ever heard. I mean, this is in a garbage truck that he's having a conversation, and then he goes right to dinner. I mean, my stomach just rolled hearing that. He's talking about the blood and covering up and gloves and using brake cleaner for washing his hands, and then he wants to know if they're going to have pizza. There's an unborn child in the victim's body that is his biologically. There's also forensics that ties her blood to him. And when we think about whether or not there's a plea bargain, I think about Kohberger too. It's like if prosecutors believe in the death penalty and it's a death penalty case, then there's probably no plea bargain extended. And Kohberger should have been right here, too, in this particular situation where he's looking at death, too. And I am not happy about that, because this is what prosecutors are supposed to be doing. You know, normally to avoid death, you got to go in there with mitigation and really humanize the defendant and show that this is an aberration and what's the background and mental health history and substance abuse, etc. So this is not only good for the prosecutor's case in the case in chief, but it's also very relevant to the death penalty question as well, because he is only thinking about himself. He's talking about losing it all just based on a child that she may be carrying of his, talking about his life, and in the end takes hers, and his is going to be going down the toilet as well, either life in prison or death.